everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy pocket shawl, and it's a very easy pattern to crochet. So let's get started. To make this easy shawl, I worked with my 9mm crochet hook and 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. And you're going to work a foundation chain of 110 if you're using a 9mm hook and 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. Gauge in this pattern is not important. So you're going to work a foundation chain and work your foundation chain loosely. Don't do it tight. You have to keep the stitches loose because the work is going to expand as you work. So work your foundation chain of 110 and work it loosely. After you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet. And double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. Okay, so after you have your first row work, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And you're going to make double crochet in each stitch across the row, but you're only going to work in the back side of the stitch. So you see there are 2 sides to the stitch. You're only going to work in the back side. So double crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And this row is going to be repeated until you have worked 7 rows. Okay, so that's the first 2 rows, and you're going to work that for 7 rows. And then I'm going to start making this textured section. And then on the other side, it's another 7 rows of double crochet. So now we'll show you how to make this textured section. And here's a close-up of it, and it's just a row of double crochet and a row of front post double crochet and double crochet. So you'll start the row with chain 2. And in the next stitch, you'll make a front post double crochet. So pass the hook under the front of the post of the double crochet and complete the double crochet. In the next stitch, just make a regular double crochet. And again, a front post double crochet. And then a regular double crochet. Okay, so you work that all the way across the row. Okay, after you've worked all the way across the row, you'll have this raised pattern, and that's how it will look. And you'll work 10 rows of this texture. So the next row is a regular row of double crochet, so that's chain 2, double crochet in every stitch across the row. Like that, all the way across the row, like that. So that's my row of double crochet. I'm going to turn, chain 2, now front post double crochet, and double crochet, front post double crochet, and a regular double crochet. And that's going to give you this raised texture. So 7 rows of double crochet worked in the back side of the stitch, 10 rows of alternating a double crochet and then a front post double crochet row, and then at the other end another 7 rows of double crochet. And now I'll show you how to work the pocket. To work the pocket, I started with a chain of 17, and then you're going to single crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook. To make a single crochet, insert into the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So single crochet all the way across the row. And then after working all the way across the row, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and you're going to single crochet in each stitch across the row. And you'll work 10 rows of single crochet for the pocket. And here's what the pocket will look like. 10 rows of single crochet, then a row of double crochet, a row of front post double crochet, And then I added a tassel, and that's entirely optional. I have a video on how to make tassels, and I'll put the link below. And that's how easy it is to crochet this pocket shawl. And you can find the written pattern on my blog, the link below.